This is the best all-day breakfast burger you are ever going to have. Packed full of protein, packed full of healthy fats, make it in under 10 minutes with this special lean hack. So I want you to get very excited because this episode is gonna blow your mind. Hello squaddies, I want you to look in my eyes, look straight into my eyes, and I want you to know that I'm about to show you the best all-day breakfast burger ever in under 10 minutes because it has a lean hack. And I'm bringing you this burger recipe in partnership with the Turkey Farmers of Canada because it's a turkey burger. We're making a breakfast turkey burger that is so yummy, so healthy, and packed full of protein. So I want you to get very excited. First things first is you are going to grab 1 pound of ground turkey, extra lean here because it's a lean all-day breakfast burger. And then all you're gonna do is just beep, bop, and boop into turkey patties just like this, and mix, boom, perfect patties right there. The next step to this turkey burger, and this is where the trick comes in. You get a cup, a glass, whatever you want to use, and all you're gonna do is just bop it down, whoop, with a twist. I told you there was a twist. Use all those muscles, just down, just like this. Whoop, twist. Take out that extra meat. There you can see it, squaddies. We've got the perfect turkey burgers. Well, turkey burger donuts. And we're gonna put the egg inside. They cook perfectly together. The egg seeps into the turkey. So much leanness, flavor going on. It's just one big lean party. But first, before we start the lean party, we gotta cook up some bacon. So, throw your bacon in a pan. 1, 2, 3. Don't need any oil, and you're gonna cook it on medium-high heat till it's nice and crispy, all right? So you just wanna add some coconut oil into your turkey burger pan. Just like that. So I like to just make sure I get that turkey's a little sticky when you get it off your tray. It's okay if the shape changes. You're just gonna put it straight down on your pan here. And voila, just like that. There you have it. Turkey burgers on the pan, and we're gonna cook those on medium to high heat for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna flip, and then we're gonna add the egg. So get excited, because you do not wanna miss this next step. So 2 minutes here, we're gonna do the flippy. This is the exciting part. Just scoop up that burger, and woo! Just like that, you're flipping your turkey burger. As you can see, it's nice and brown on the outside. One more time, perfect flip. Once that's bacon cooked, nice and crispy, you're gonna put it to the side. It's gonna be topping of a burger. There you can see these turkey burgers are perfectly brown, nearly cooked all the way through. Not quite, because we still have some more leanness to do here. So, that leads me to the next step, is the eggy. We're going to cook an egg in the middle of the turkey burger, and this is where the lean party really gets started. So, crack your egg open, and I like to shake out a little bit of egg white, just a little bit, because we don't need it all. We don't need it all. Into the center of our turkey burger goes 1 egg. Just like that. Little salt and pepper. And then we're gonna cover these eggies for about 3 minutes, all right? Or until perfectly cooked. Ooh, I forgot to mention, squaddies, you can't have no breakfast burger party without any cheese. So you gotta get the cheddar cheese onto your burgers here, on top of the turkey burger and the egg. And it's also going to help that egg cook through perfectly. So we're gonna leave those on top. Cover again for another minute. And while we wait, we get a little bit of avocado ready. And this is a key step for me, it's just the mushy. I like to make my mushy avocado just like that. So easy. These burgers are ready. You cannot tell me you do not want this in your belly right now. That's why it's an all-day breakfast burger, because you want to eat it all day, every single day. It really does taste that good. So we're gonna take those burgers off, and we're gonna toast up a bun. Just like this. Think I can get in? Whoop. Oh, that was so close. Whoop! Oh! Yeah! Toasty bun. Whoop! And now it's just time to build our burger, squaddies. Bop! Look at that lean turkey burger. Onto the bun it goes. We get some bacon on top, and then we're gonna get our top. This is the top of the toasted bun. We're gonna mush on some avocado. Because the avocado is very healthy, very yummy, and a great healthy fat to keep us energized all day long to go along with this protein-packed all-day breakfast sandwich. Is it a sandwich or a burger? Burger, I guess. Burger. I don't really know what defines a burger and what defines a sandwich. But anyways, it is something we can eat all day. Avocado on top. One last thing, squaddies. You get your top, and then we're just gonna put on a little bit of sriracha. Just a little bit. Brings a little lean heat, a whole lot more flavors. And then, you can make those sounds too, because look at that. Right there. Oh my leanness. The best all-day breakfast turkey burger you are ever gonna have. Packed full of protein, packed full of healthy fats, packed full of leanness. Wait till we slice this bad boy up, just to show you what you're in for. And there you have it, squaddies. The egg is cooked perfectly through. You've got the protein from the lean ground turkey. We've got the healthy fats from the avocado, the bacon, the burger. There's so much leanness and tastiness going on in this burger. I know you're gonna wanna eat this every single day. So don't be shy, give it a go. And on that note, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to the channel because you don't wanna miss recipes like these, do you? And if you haven't already, make sure you check out the 6-week lean challenge because every single plan is filled with recipes like these but tailored to you because everybody's body burns a little differently and you need to make sure you love your leanness as well. So every meal plan is filled with easy, tasty, yummy leanness as well as a custom tailored workout plan to you and your body and your fitness level and your goals. That was a lot of ands, but it's all true. So, with that in mind, squaddies, it's time for me to bite down into this yummy leanness and I will see you back here next episode of Lean Living.